Work in progress. I am making a flower crown ring with a bee. And here is how I made the flower. These are supposed to be lilacs. Attaching the flower now. The ring shape and design is done. All I have to do is bake, paint and resin the ring. I made the bee. Cute. Now I am putting the ring in the oven. Time to paint the ring. Lilacs are a light shade of purple. The shade that I am painting the ring is so pretty. By the way, this ring is a custom order. And I started selling rings and keychains. Now I am painting the pollen part. I am using a really small detailing brush for the pollen. Should I make more of this ring and sell it? Now I am painting the bee white for the base coat. I painted the bee yellow. After the yellow coat, I will paint the black stripes. Now I am painting the stripes. This part required a lot of concentration. Ta-da! The painting part is done. Now I have to resin it. This ring was the most detailed and time-consuming ring I have ever made. Now I am putting resin on it to make sure the paint doesn't chip off. Done. It is so pretty. Bye guys. Subscribe to Noah's Artsy Hangout for more art videos.